Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been such a long time, but I am bringing 8 online courses that you can do to build up your CV. According to your profession, you can choose what courses you would like to do. I will be explaining in this video that what courses to do, what you will learn, and what skills you will gain so that you can add it to your CV. So number one is Google AI Essential. In this course, you will understand the foundations of AI, machine learning, and the real world business applications as well. Mainly, you will also learn about Google's tools and frameworks because whichever job you go for, you will have to work on the Google's tools and frameworks. So it's a must do course for everyone. And skills you will learn from this course is basics of AI, the concepts of machine learning, and problem solving using Google's AI ecosystem. Number two is Digital Marketing Analyst Professional Certificate course by Unilever. In this course, you will learn data analytics for marketing and digital marketing strategies. And also, because it is offered by Unilever, you will also get an opportunity to work on their case studies. From this course, the skills that you will develop is SEO, data-driven decision making, campaign management, and advanced marketing analytics. Number three is Data Analyst Professional course by Meta. Through this course, you will build a strong foundation in data analysis, including SQL, Python, and data visualization tools. The skills you will develop from this course are data wrangling, cleaning, visualization, business analytics as well, and proficiency in tools like Excel, SQL, and Python. And number fourth is the strategy of content marketing. Through this course, you will learn how to master the storytelling, principles of content writing, creating strategies that aligns with business goals. The skills you will develop from this program are content strategy development, brand storytelling, very important, audience engagement as well, and SEO optimization. Now, fifth course is Project Management Professional Certificate by Google. So this course will help you dive deeper into the fundamentals of project management, including Agile and Scrum methodologies with hands-on projects. Through this course, you will be able to develop skills in project planning, risk management, team coordination, and effective communication in agile environment. Now we know that fintech is one of the very fastest growing field under the field of finance and technology. Number 6 is Fintech Foundations and Overview. In this course, you will be able to explore what the fintech industry is about, what are its key players, and also know the technologies like blockchain, financial innovations as well. Through this course, you will develop skills such as financial analysis, understanding blockchain and cryptocurrencies, knowledge of fintech trends, that what are the current trends going on. Number 7 is Introduction to Management Consulting, the most asked course or the most asked the field about, because it's one of the very highest paying field, although it's very difficult for freshers to get into this area. But I think with the course that I'm going to recommend, you'll get the idea of what management consulting is about and what all skills do you need. I think that will make your journey a bit easier to go into the management consulting. So save these two courses for sure. So number 7th is Introduction to Management Consulting. So first of all, you will be able to learn that what is the management consulting process, what do they do, what's their framework like, what's the client and consultant relationship like, how do you handle it. And the skills from this course you will get are problem solving, critical thinking, strategic thinking, and structured communication for consulting roles. And the last course, number 8, is Management Consulting Tools and Tips. In this course, you will be able to learn that what are some of the top tools that management consultant needs to know. You can also get your hands on some of the tools and practice. And once you are thorough with the tools, you can add them to your CV. So that's about it. Also, I have posted one short video on 2 online courses that everyone has to do, because it's so basic things, and so far what I have seen by counseling students is that they are not aware of these 2 courses. But when you go for a job, majority of the places you will be required to know about those 2 online courses. So go check out the YouTube shorts and tell me what do you think. And for all these 8 courses, you can find the links in the caption, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye.